Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about set reset command. How we can use the set reset command in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our GXWorks 2 software which is used for Mitsubishi PLC. And here we have to be first take the backup from our PLC. Choose your module which you have. I have FX CPU, which is I will show you in my picture. This module I have Mitsubishi model FX1X20MT EWS, and this module FX CPU I will choose and click it OK. And as you will click it OK, after this page will be appear, and you have to be select your port, COM port. Double click it on here. After this window will be appear, which you have COM connected with your PLC, that you will have to be select. I have a COM port 2, so I select this COM 2, and how much transmission speed, this you have to be select and click it OK. And after how we COM port checking, this will I will tell you later. This first see, as you click on connection test, he say an unusable COM port was specified. Execute again after checking the COM port setting. He say this COM port is not okay, so we have to be go to our this PC. Double click on this one and go to the properties, device manager, and here you can see this ports and COMs. And here we are selected this one COM port 4. Why it's not connected? Because here is a COM 4 we are connected now. So cancel this one and also cancel this one and double click on this one and choose your COM 4, and that transmission speed is okay and click it OK. And now we will connection test successfully connected with the FX1S CPU and click it OK. And again here you have to be click it OK, and which program is will be in your PLC, that will be backup. And now he is asking for which you want, yani execution target. You need to program plus parameter and click execute. Which program is in the PLC, that will be backed up. And as your program upload will be completed, after close this one and also close this one, and your page will be open. And here you like to be, if delete this all, simply go to the edit, and here ladder edit mode, right mode when you select it, after you can delete this one program. And here you can cut and go to again compile, build all. Now your page is empty and you can write it here new program. So simply here we will start from the X0, for example I will choose, and here I will make a one coil set. This also you can here make, and also you can just here type LD Y0, sorry, set Y0, to click it enter, and your Y0 will be selected. And again X0 also you can select by LD X1 and click it OK. Sorry, this is I not give the LD x1 space you have to be give, and here reset y0 and click it OK. This is x1. Sorry, this one we have to be write only just RST y0 and then click it OK, and your y0 will be selected. When you press the x0, your y0 will be set, and when you press x1, y0 will be reset. So after you have to be compile this all program, rebuild it all, and after download the program. Here also you can download. This is write to PLC, and here is read from PLC. When you click it here, write to PLC, here program plus parameter, execute, and CPU have to be must be stop condition. After your program will be download. In run condition, program cannot download. Close this one, and after also close this one, and now you have to be go to the monitor mode. Go to here monitor, and you can go to the monitor mode, and your PLC is now running. As I give the signal at x0, my y0 will be goes to set. As I give the signal to x0, now my y0 is in good set condition, and as I give the signal x1, now y0 is reset. Also you can see in the buffer memory, you can go to here, and here you can see this is device buffer memory. Here you can write the name which you like to be monitor. For example, y0 I will write here. Wait for a second. W. This is bit W, 16 bit. So multiple, this is 2. And address, device name y0, and click it. I think so. Enter. Yeah, sorry, I not enter. When you like to, when you make it enter, after this will be your page will be appear. And as you give the signal now, see, as I give the signal at x0, see now your y0 is in set condition, on condition. Here you can see this is your y0 is on, and as I give the signal at x1, after y0 will be stop. And for example, now go to the stop mode, online monitor, and monitor stop monitoring. And here also we can go at the right mode. And if you like to be make many outputs, for example, here I will make it one more, x2, x2, and output I will make this one, set y1, set y1, and here again I will make x3 for example, and set y2, sorry this one, set y2, and click enter. And here also I will give x4 for example, and set y3 for example, and this y0 also I will change the address, set y4 for example, y4, and click it OK. Now y0, y1, y2, y3, and y4 we make the set condition with this all. And if you like to make this one time all this, make it reset, you just only here make it this one another x5 for example, and here you have to be make z reset, z re z rst, from where to y0 to y7 for example. This compile this program, rebuild all, and download to the PLC. Program plus parameter, execute, and CPU like to be stop must be. Now close this one, and also close this one, and go to the monitor mode. Also here also you can go to the monitoring mode, and also you can go to online, and here you can go to the monitor mode here also. And also F3 if you press, also you can go to the monitor mode. And so now our PLC is in the run condition. As I give the signal at, for example, x0, see my y0 is in set condition. And as I give the signal at x1, my y4 is set. And as I give the x2, for example, my y1 is goes to reset. And x3, as I give the signal, my y2 is goes to set. And as I give the signal at x4, now my y3 is goes to set condition. And as I give the signal at x5, after my all in outputs will be goes to reset. See, now I give the signal at x5, all outputs are goes to reset one time. Again I will give the, see this is y0 is set, and also we can see in the buffer memory, see y0 is now on, X1 I will on, see Y4 is on, and as I give this one Y1 is on, as I give this one Y3 on, as I give this one now Y4 on. Thus all Y0 to Y4 all outputs are on, and as I gives the signal at X5 all outputs are goes to reset. So this way you can use the set and reset command in the Mitsubishi PLC. I hope in this lecture you will be understand about how we can use this set and reset command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.